Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing another item from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collaboration. This is the Neverfull MM and it features all of the designs from the collaboration. Now the bag came in the absolute biggest box I've ever had delivered from a retailer, and it was decked out to the nines in collaboration amazingness. So I did get a really large ribbon from the Murakami collection, and I also got the panda swing tag ornament. Now, I love the panda. I think it's the cutest of the characters. I love just how happy he is, and we're definitely going to keep him somewhere special. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into our massive box. Now, I was a little bummed that I didn't have the wrapping paper, just given how, higher of a ticket item this bag was. But chime in the comments below if you've seen the wrapping paper, what items you've got it on, and maybe we can kind of figure out where they're prioritizing it to go. But for now, all eyes are on this Neverfull. Now, I have to say, the first look at this bag was just the hot pink interior peeking out at me, and it made me so happy. It made my heart do a little jump. Now, I love these flowers. I love their faces. I love their smiley expressions. I am a big believer in leaning into those things that can boost your mood. I truly believe attitude is contagious, so be positive. And that goes for the things that you keep around you too. I feel like the things that we choose to identify with or to carry as our purses, things like that, the fashion that we lean into has the true ability to influence our mood, and I just love leaning into it. Now, inside we do have that lovely hot pink and a bonus item. So with every Neverfull, you do have a pouch, and this one has the LV with these super flat characters on it. I think this piece is really special because it does have, the two distinct character or logos from other items throughout the collection. I believe I've only seen this LV with the hands on, I believe only a shawl, maybe a kind of envelope box. Correct me if I'm wrong, but not too many. So this is a really fun one that they've kind of hidden away here. Now, I also didn't know that this pouch had a back pocket. So I think that's pretty cool as well. At least you have some extra organization in there. And then of course you can detach this and use it as a wristlet, or, keep your valuables in this if you are using the tote, and just use this one to grab and go somewhere if you just need, the essentials. So I do really like that this is designed on its own and it can really stand on its own. Oftentimes with the Neverfull, it's just a continuation. It kind of feels a little flimsy, but I feel like they did their job with this one. Now, you do have the Louis Vuitton Murakami 20-year anniversary kind of leather vachetta stamp on both the bag and inside the pouch. So again, they dotted their I's with this one. I can't say I have anything to complain about. That interior pocket is really large, so being an open tote, I actually think that this has a lot of use. I haven't seen a Neverfull in person before, if I'm actually honest. I haven't unboxed one prior to seeing this one, so I was actually really impressed with it. So many folks are saying it's on its way out, it's a millennial's bag, Gen Z doesn't like the Neverfull, but I don't know, guys, I really like how it's going. Now, I did want to give you a close-up of the flowers and just let you see each and every of their smiley faces. This kind of reminds me of an Alice in Wonderland vibe, but almost a little bit more trippy. You let me know if you like this. Which flower is your favorite? I really like that green one right on the top, and I love the hot pink ones. I just think they're so fun. Alrighty, the moment that you have been waiting for, or at least I have been waiting for, so let's go ahead and try this on. Now, I love it. I honestly am so sold on this bag, and I will admit that at first I was kind of bummed that I wasn't able to pick up the Speedy in this flower design, but I actually really like the largeness of the Neverfull because it means I just get more flowers. So I don't know. I really do like it. So again, there are a lot of features with this bag. It is an open bag at the top, but you do have a connection point at the top. And then you can, of course, tie these side straps. I don't fully know how to do them, but I played around a little bit and it seems like you can kind of just close the gap a little bit more. I also know that you can find some organization inserts on Amazon, and I'll try to find one and link one below to give you like a little bit more organization in this bag and just make it a little bit more useful. All right, that's all we have for you today. Let me know how you would style this. I personally wore it today with a whole brown outfit and I thought it was chef's kiss, but I want to know how you think I should style it next. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.